Hey guys, I'm News Channel 5's Casey Mason bringing you another episode of Now You Know How, where we always seem to learn something new. Today we're talking about these guys right here. It's your HVAC unit. We all have one, and when you have problems with it, it becomes major. So you're gonna wanna find the right contractor to help you out. So that's where my friend Jay comes in handy, our Rheem Pro Partner. So let's get to it. What do we need to look for?
The big thing is make sure you set enough time aside to go through this process. A lot of people want to rush through. They want this issue resolved as quickly as possible. If you try to rush through it, you may overlook some things. Always ask and make sure that they're licensed and insured. That's some protection for the homeowner. I would ask them how long they've been dealing with that particular piece of equipment, and that way you know that they're familiar and they're going to do the best installation that you can get. As a contractor, I would always ask the homeowner how the old unit operated when it was operational. That may be indications of problems that need to be fixed. When the contractor comes out to your home, were they on time? Did they take the time to walk through your house, to look under the crawl space, to look up in the attic, to make sure there aren't any other issues? And then when they give you your proposal, does that proposal reflect the things that you talked about, or does it seem like they're trying to just sell you what they want to sell you?
So if you want to connect with a Rheem Pro Partner, just visit newschannel5.com/nowyouknowhow. This installment of Now You Know How is sponsored by Rheem Pro Partners.